Should draw it first, right? All right, so where's y in relation to everything else? In the middle of, all right, it's midpoint of some line, right? So here's P, here's S, and there's y. That's in the middle. So should I mark anything on there? Then we talk about a way to show those two pieces are the same. I should put those tick marks on there. It's a habit you really want to get into. If you know things are true, if you see the word midpoint, you should make a point of marking on the diagram that there are two things that are equal. It's going to pay dividends later. Trust me on this. So I've got that now. It says py 3x plus 4. If py is 3x plus 4, how long is ys? Okay, there are two answers. Someone said 5x. That's true. What else is it? 3x plus 4. I don't know how long PS isn't given. I don't have that. But I do have that this thing right here, this ys, is both 5x and 3x plus 4. We have a way of dealing with that, don't we? Can I write 3x plus 4 equals 5x? Isn't that what we're talking about? Yeah. Midpoint cuts into two equal parts. So if the part, well, from your point of view, ys is 5x and the other half is 3x plus 4, then those two halves must equal each other. And I can write this expression out here. This 3x plus 4 equals 5x. And now it's just algebra, right? Let's see. Subtract 3x from both sides. So 4 equals 2x. Divide by 2. I get x is equal to 2. Am I done? Yeah, Rita, what do you want me to do? Well, I'm not done. What would you do? Well, I'm not done. What's the next step? Not still not sure?
Plug in.
Plug in where? Miss Stacy? Okay, so like py is 3 times 2 plus 4 is 10. All right. Is that how long PS is?
How'd you get 10?
How'd I get to 10? 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 is 10. To the other one? Okay, ys is 5 times 2, which is 10. So how long is PS? 20. Now, you don't actually have to do them both. You could just say, hey, py is 10, and that's half the whole thing, right? So how long is the whole thing? 20. Double that. So you can use that as another strategy to get through it. What questions can I answer here?
Mr. Ashman, what they're confused about
Okay.
is you've written on the top of the line 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4, and then you placed 5x below. And so that's what's throwing off a bunch of kids.
Oh, because, okay, I see.
With me?
Yep. Let me move that. Yeah, that's a good question. Let me move that up here. How's that? Is that easier to see now? Above the line, we've got both of those measurements, 5x and 3x plus 4, represent how long ys is. It's 3x plus 4, because it's the same as py, and it's 5x, because that's what's given. Keely?
Does that mean py is also 5x?
Yes. Because all of these ideas up here are what lead to this equation right here. That the left half, so the left half is equal to the right half. And that's one of the ways these midpoint problems come up. It's a little different than the last one. Let me back up for a quick second, where we talked about having a part here plus its equal part equal the whole thing. This is a little bit different in that we're saying here I've got a half and the other half, and these two must equal each other.